we have another drone in the tree, a Yuri 600 or something, a big one. And of course I got a tree cannon, so let's try to get it out of there. Up there in the faraway trees, and actually quite high, but we will have a look in a second. That's why I made this thing. So yeah, there she is. We are pretty much down there, and you can see her in between these trees. You see a red blinking light. That's actually quite high. I hope my cannon is strong enough. Yeah, somewhere there we are. Yeah, never mind. Definitiv die richtige. Da kommt sie.
Yeah!
I mean, it's down.
Yeah!
Not sure if she's alive, but she's down.
Yeah!
It's his from 30-40 meters in a tree. Broken gimbal, one ripped arm, of course. Well, actually all props are broken. A lot of dirt. I think it's possible to repair it, but that's nothing I need to care about. Another success for my swag cannon.